Welcome to AK Instrument Education. Myself Naveen, I am the maths mentor, and today's session let us discuss about one of the most important topic in mathematics 1B, that is limits. Actually, it carries two marks questions. We have different methods like factorization method, rationalization method, a standard form, and standard form of trigonometric functions. Different methods we have. So first of all, let us discuss in today's video factorization method and rationalization method. Coming to problem number 1, compute limit. LT stands for limit, L-I-M-I-T, limit x tends to a, x square minus a square divided by x minus a. So limit x tends to a, if you observe, as the numerator which is in the form of a square minus b square. Do you know, students, what is the formula of a square minus b square? Which is a plus b into a minus b. Right? Here x square minus a square I can write as x plus a into x minus a divided by what is there in the denominator? In the denominator we have x minus a. So x minus a gets cancelled. So limit x tends to a, which is x plus a. I mean x tends to a. The meaning is, in place of x we need to substitute a. X is approaching to a, right? So in place of x you substitute a, that is a plus a, which is equal to how much? 2a. So what is the value of limit x tends to 0? Sorry, x tends to a, x square minus a square divided by x minus a is, the answer is what? 2a. Right? Now coming to one more problem. Limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 by x cube minus 8. This is our problem number 2. X minus 2 by x cube minus 8. You know, children, if you observe properly, limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 by, as denominator is x cube minus 8, right? So how can I write as 8 here? 8 we can write as 2 cube, right? Yes, I can write as 2 cube, because 2 cube in the sense 8, right? Now, if you observe properly, as the denominator which is in the form of a cube minus b cube. You know what is the formula of a cube minus b cube? The formula for a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Right? So here we are factorizing as the denominator. Limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 divided by, see, which is in the form of a minus b. A means here x, minus b means 2, into a square, I mean x square, plus ab. ab in the sense x into 2, I mean 2x plus b square in the sense 2 square. As x minus 2 gets cancelled, so limit x tends to 2, 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2 square in the sense 4. Now limit x tends to 2, x is approaching to 2. In place of x we need to substitute 2, right? Okay. 1 by, in place of x, 2 square plus 2 into, in place of x, 2 plus 4. Right? 1 by 2 square in the sense 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 4. So 1 by 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So what is the answer? The answer is what? 1 by 12. Okay? This is about the second question. Now coming to third question. Question number 3, limit x tends to 3, x cube minus 6x square plus 9x divided by x square minus 9. Right? So our problem is limit x tends to 3, x cube minus 6x square plus 9x divided by x square minus 9. So what we will do, limit x tends to 3, from the numerator let me take x as common. If I take x as common, x into x square it will become x cube minus x into 6x, 6x square plus x into 9, 9x divided by, so x square minus 9. How can I write as x square minus 9? I can write as x square minus 3 square, because as 9 I can write as 3 square. So limit x tends to 3, x into, so as which is a quadratic equation, x square minus 6x plus 9 which is a quadratic equation. Let us do factorization. As the constant is 9 here, so I can take, as the factors are 3 and 3 which is plus 9, so minus 3 into minus 3 which is equal to plus 9. If I add minus 3 I will get minus 6. So I can write as 6x as x square minus 3x plus 9. Now from these two terms I can take x as common, x into x square minus x into 3, 3x. Now from these two terms I can take minus 3 as common, minus 3 into x minus 3x, minus into plus minus, x minus 3. Now if I take x minus 3 as common, again I will get x minus 3. Right? So x square minus 6x plus 9 I can write as x minus 3 into x minus 3 divided by, again denominator which is in the form of a square minus b square, I can write as a plus b into a minus b. X minus 3 gets cancelled. So limit x tends to 3, x into x minus 3 divided by x plus 3. Right? Now as we got x square, x minus 3 into x minus 3, right? So in place of x, now you substitute 3. So what you will get? In place of x you substitute 3, 3 into, again 3 minus 3 divided by, again in place of x 3 plus 3. Right? So 3 into, as 3 minus 3 0 divided by 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. So 3 into 0 how much children? 0 divided by 6, 0 by 6 which is equal to 0. So what is the answer? The answer is what? 0. So don't confuse children. Okay? Now coming to question number 4. Compute or evaluate limit x tends to 3, x cube minus 3x square divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. Right? So what we can take common here from the numerator and the denominator. So let me take from the numerator, let me take x square as common. Okay children, as here we have x cube and here x square. I am taking x square as common. Here one more x will be, here nothing means 3 only. Now again the denominator is x square minus 5x plus 6. So let us find the factors of x square minus 5x plus 6. As we know that 6 I can write as 3 to the 6 minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Okay. Again from these two terms if I take x as common, x minus 3. Again from these two terms if I take minus 2 as common, x plus 3. Sorry, x minus 3. So again if I take x minus 3 as common, I will get x minus 2. So what are the factors of x square minus 5x that is x minus 3 into x minus 2, right? So let me cancel x minus 3, x minus 3. So I have limit x tends to 3, x square divided by x minus 2. So x tends to 3, in place of x we have to substitute 3, 3 square divided by 3 minus 2. So 3 square in the sense 9 by 3 minus 2 1. So 9 divided by 1, that is equal to 9 only. Okay children, are you understanding factorization? See, as everything depends upon factorization only. Once if you know the concept of factorization, we can do it easily these some problems. Okay, we will do one more question. Limit x tends to 2. Coming to problem number 5, limit x tends to 2, 1 by x minus 2 minus 4 by x squared minus 4. 1 by x minus 2 minus 4 by x squared minus 4. So, limit x tends to 2, 1 by x minus 2 as it is minus 4 by, children, you can see here which is in the form of x square minus 4. How can I write as x square minus 4? I can write as x square minus 4, let me write as 2 square. Again, limit x tends to 2, 1 by x minus 2 minus 4 by, now which is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Now limit x tends to 2, as the LCM of x minus 2 into x plus 2 is x minus 2 into x plus 2, right? X minus 2 into x plus 2. As already we have x minus 2, so we need to multiply into x plus 2 into x plus 2. 1 into x plus 2 minus, as we have already 2 terms, directly we need to write 4 only. Now limit x tends to 2, x plus 2 minus 4, which is equal to minus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2, right? X minus 2 gets cancelled. So limit x tends to 2, 1 by x plus 2. In the place of x we need to substitute 2. So 1 by 2 plus 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. So what is the answer? The answer is 1 by 4. These are the problems which are based on factorization method. Okay, if you practice few more questions, you will get all the problems which are based on factorization method. Okay, now coming to one more method which is called as rationalization method, which we have done in class 9. Rationalizing the denominator, right? Let us see how to evaluate limit x tends to 0 root over 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x. Limit x tends to 0 root over 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x. As the root is there for numerator, root over 1 plus x minus 1. You know children, what is the rationalizing factor of root over 1 plus x minus 1? Which is root over 1 plus x plus 1 divided by root over 1 plus x plus 1. Any doubt children? We have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the same factor, right? Now if you observe the numerator, which is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, we know that the formula of a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square divided by x into root over 1 plus x plus 1. square root gets cancelled. So limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x into root over 1 plus x plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. Limit x tends to 0, x divided by x into root over 1 plus x plus 1. Again x gets cancelled. So write limit x tends to 0, 1 by root over 1 plus x plus 1. As x tends to 0, in place of x we have to substitute 0. 1 by root over 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1 by root over 1 plus 0, 1 only plus 1. That is equal to 1 by root 1 in the sense 1 plus this 1. So 1 by, as 1 plus 1 value how much? 2. So limit x tends to 0, root over 1 plus x minus 1 by x, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, that is the rationalization method. Okay, let us do a few more problems based on rationalization method. So that is limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 divided by root over 1 plus x minus 1. You know children, we have some standard formulas. You know, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by e power x, which is equal to what? We have a formula, limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by e power x, that is equal to 1. That is the standard formula. Okay. So as per my convenience, I can write as limit x tends to 0. Let me divide it by e power x minus 1 by x into x by root over 1 plus x minus 1. What is the manipulation I did over here? I am multiplying into x, I am dividing by x. Suppose if I cancel this x and this x, again I will get the same thing. Right? So why I did like that? Because which is the first thing is limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by e power x minus 1 by x, which is equal to what? 1, right? So I can apply limit to both the terms, limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x into, again I need to apply limit to second term, limit x tends to 0, x by root over 1 plus x minus 1. As whose value is what? This is equal to 1 into, again I have to do rationalize the denominator, as the denominator is root over 1 plus x minus 1. Rationalizing factor of root over 1 plus x minus 1 is root over 1 plus x plus 1 divided by 1 plus x plus 1. So this is 1 into limit x tends to 0, x into root over 1 plus x plus 1 divided by a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So square root gets cancelled. So 1 into limit x tends to 0, x into root over 1 plus x plus 1 divided by 1 plus x minus 1 square is nothing but 1. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So 1 into something you will get the same thing, limit x tends to 0, x into root over 1 plus x plus 1 divided by x. X gets cancelled. So limit x tends to 0, root over 1 plus x plus 1. I mean in place of x I need to substitute 0. So root over 1 plus 0 plus 1. As root 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, root 1 in the sense 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. See? So somewhat little bit confusion. No need of confusion. children here? Simply we have to divide by x and multiply by x. So in order to get our formula, limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x, which is equal to 1. Okay, let us do one more question. Limit x tends to 0, 3 power x. So this is our question. Limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by root over 1 plus x minus 1. Okay. So same method, instead of e power x, here we have 3 power x minus 1. So 3 power x minus 1 divided by x into again x by root over 1 plus x minus 1. Instead of e power x, here we have 3 power x. Right? You know children, limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by x, which is in the form of a power x minus 1 by x, which is equal to log a. The formula is what? Log a. So limit x tends to 0, again we can write as limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by x into again limit x tends to 0, x by root over 1 plus x minus 1. So what is the formula of limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x, which is log a, log 3 into again the same method, x by root over 1 plus x minus 1 into rationalizing factor of root over 1 plus x minus 1 is root over 1 plus x plus 1 divided by 1 plus x plus 1. Everything is same children, but here the thing is, here we have to multiply into log 3 into log 3 into log 3. As we will get the answer, as this value is, we got 2. So log 3 into this value is 2. So the answer is what? The answer is 2 log 3. Okay. Procedure everything is same. Only difference is here. If I tell e power x minus 1 by x, which is equal to 1. If it is a power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a. Clear children? I hope you understood today's session about factorization method and rationalization method. So we have a few more methods, that is limits on the standard limit, limits of trigonometric functions, limits of the standard limits, limits when x tends to infinity, and infinite limits. About that we will discuss in the next video. So I hope today's session is very crystal clear to you. Don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it to your friends children. Thank you.